Hello student, I am Sachin Kumar and today topic is acceleration. Now let's start acceleration. The change in the velocity of a body per unit time is called acceleration. Change in the velocity, it means let a point from a rest or train, then it moving, then velocity increase. After certain time, its velocity constant, then station B, its velocity decrease, then final point is 0. So a train from at rest at a station A when moving to B, to then velocity increase, and after some time velocity constant, and after some time velocity decrease, then stop station B. So acceleration 0. So it means change in velocity of a body per unit time is called acceleration. I hope you know acceleration. Acceleration change in velocity upon time interval. H velocity of a body at a time t1 is velocity v1. Velocity of a body at time t2 velocity v2. Then change in velocity v2 minus v1. It means final velocity minus initial velocity. Time interval t2 minus t1. As per definition, acceleration v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. Unit of acceleration change in the velocity upon time interval. It means change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity upon time interval. Unit of velocity upon time interval, we know unit of velocity meter per second and time second. Then unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Therefore the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. If a car at a point A to start 40 km per hour in same direction, velocity in a constant velocity 40 km per hour in a constant velocity because same direction. So we can say if the velocity of a body does not change, then its acceleration is 0. So do you think acceleration involved here? No, acceleration involved here because a car 40 km per hour in a constant speed in same direction. So no change, velocity and direction, then acceleration not involved here. What does positive acceleration mean? If the final velocity of a moving body is a greater than the initial velocity, it means final velocity greater than initial velocity, then acceleration final velocity minus initial velocity by time interval. Thus, when the velocity of a body increase with time, its acceleration is positive. For example, a bicycle point A stand, then moving point B, then velocity increase, its position acceleration is positive. 10 km per hour from rest to in motion. Velocity increase, then acceleration positive. What does negative acceleration mean? If the final velocity of a moving body is less than the initial velocity, final velocity less than initial velocity, then acceleration equal final velocity minus initial velocity upon time interval. Thus, when the velocity of a body decreases with time, at acceleration is negative. For example, a bike from point A 40 km per hour start to point B, then slow velocity means decrease velocity. At a start point A 40 km, then 30 km per hour, then 20 km per hour, decrease velocity. So we can say negative acceleration. What is meant by the uniform acceleration? When a body travels in the straight line and its velocity change by equal amount in equal interval of time, it is said to have uniform acceleration. Example, a body falling freely under gravity has uniform acceleration. A ball leap at a point in building या cliff, then touch of the ground, then velocity increase and change. So it means our body travels in a straight line, and its velocity change equal amount in equal interval of time. It's said to have uniform acceleration. Next, what is meant by the non-uniform acceleration? When the velocity of a body change by unequal amount in equal interval of time, it's said to have a non-uniform acceleration. For example, an auto car driver on a crowded city road with the frequent application of brakes has a non-uniform acceleration. When the velocity of a body change unequal amount in equal interval of time, 1 km per hour, 2 km per hour, then 2 hour 3 kilometer. It means 3 kilometer per hour per 2 hour. It means 1.5 kilometer per hour. So equal interval and unequal distance, unequal velocity, it is said to have non-uniform acceleration. As a car start, then brakes, and again start, then apply brakes, and again move, then brakes. It means any body move, then pause, it means brakes, then moving, then pause. So change the velocity unequal amount in equal interval of time. It is said to have non-uniform acceleration. I hope you know acceleration. The next video you know distant time graph.